Okay, this is part 2 of our processing. We are now inside, ready to gut our birds, vacuum seal, and put in the fridge and date. Date them.
All right.
We
What time do we start these?
12, 5 after 12, 5 after 11. You do that part, I'll do the cleaning part.
Yep. I'll just open them up. There's just
Yeah.
two nuggets.
Derek's
You want to
preferred
chop the legs, but
preferred
yeah. Straight down. Nope, you want that. There you go. Feel it. Pull up on the joint. There you go. Like that.
Derek's preferred knife of choice is an X-Acto knife. If he finds they're sharper and less chance of slipping.
Way more chance of cutting your fingers, so be careful.
Yes, that too. They are extremely sharp. They are a new blade.
Clean
Mama,
the blade too because they have an oily film on them.
Mama's just going to town on those feet now.
There you go.
It's pretty easy when you get the hang of it. Mama's good enough to bring those drop cloths for us to use. The bucket's right beside you, Mama, for the heart and liver. Turn the radio down.
Terrible.
What's Donnie doing?
I think he's having a cigarette or something. You say, get a hold of that and pull. And I'm pulling on the, what is
Pulling the
Esophagus.
innards.
it? The esophagus? And I got it
Esophagus.
whole.
Good job.
Crawling all.
Now they separate the liver and the heart.
Yeah, that's the craw.
Yeah.
You got it.
There's the heart.
After we wash them, they're patted dry for the vacuum sealer.
Next. Need a butcher knife there, please?
Sure. That's the lung. Have to do a little digging.
You have to dig right down into the rib cage to get your fingers kind of curled in around it to pull it out.
Nice and warm in there. The other way.
You're not going to keep your hands clean doing this job.
Well, it's not cold, so. Scissors?
Scissors?
Out of the flies, I
Yeah,
think.
Well, actually, I like the scissors.
Mom, they're in the sink. I gotta wash them. They're in the sink there.
Okay, no, that's okay. I'll use this. Now make sure you get that little sack right there. It's, what did you say? It has the stuff in it that you won't be able to eat.
Bile.
Bile. Come on.
Bro.
Sugar.
You have to be really careful when you do this not to cut into the poop sack or anything that's going to contaminate your meat.
And if you do, rinse it right away.
Rinse it right away. It's imperative that you don't
Hey, Donnie.
get any.
Back again.
Donnie's back. we'll come around and watch Mama.
You still have to
See right there?
Right there. That's what we're looking at.
sure
That's
did.
the,
Oh,
whatever he can
oh,
find on
there you go. That came
that
out.
one broke.
They all work. They're in the corner.
Yeah.
That's why they're so easy to pick up.
And the lungs are.
I'll let you get the lungs out of that one. Your fingers will fit.
Okay.
Now where's your heart and livers?